Now to one of those David and Goliath stories, though this one has a twist. The Goliath is the big American search engine Google and its battle with a beer-loving Australian. Brisbane man Cameron Colley wanted to start his own search site that would help people find cheap alcohol. His problem? He tried to call it Groggle. Well, let's talk to Cameron Colley now. So, Cameron Colley, that is when you found out about the long reach of Google's legal department. Just tell us how you heard that they weren't happy.
Well, basically, it was back in April we received a cease and desist letter from their lawyers in Melbourne, essentially telling us to withdraw our trademark, to change our company name, and to hand over all the domain names to Google.
And did you ever think you could win a stoush with one of the world's biggest companies?
We tried to negotiate. We really did. We tried to limit the trademark in numerous ways. We assured them we weren't going to venture into any other sort of areas other than what we intended to do, but they weren't having a bar of it, so unfortunately we had to relinquish.
And how long has it taken you to reach this point? And it must have been pretty expensive.
Look, it's taken about 6 months. We had a law firm here in Brisbane helping us out. So they helped us out financially as well. But yeah, it's been 6 months, and look, we're really just happy that it's over.
So Groggle, pretty catchy name, that's now out. What else have you come up with?
It is. We're going to go call the site Drinkle, so it's known as drinkle.com. And essentially it's exactly the same. We're using the same logo, we've just changed the typeface slightly.
Is it up and running right now?
Not yet. We're still doing some polishing on the site. Essentially there's an email catcher, and people can register their interest at drinkle.com.
But you were confident at one stage, presumably, that you could win this, otherwise you wouldn't have pursued it.
Well, that's right. We thought they'd be reasonable and realised that there's no way that our website is going to encroach on what they're doing at all. I mean, it wasn't even close to anything they were even involved in. So we sort of figured they thought maybe we were domain squatters, or they just weren't sure that we were a legitimate business. And we tried to prove that to them several times, which we did, but unfortunately it still didn't work out.
Cameron Colley, thank you.
Thank you very much.